How to fix Snapchat ban on Android. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK. And then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, you have to go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone guys, your problem will be solved. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.